Oh, behamba slow. Hayi. We are rolling sound into namathathu.
Lezi ama-producer ngiz-understand.
Zenzeni.
Lezi ntanga zonke zihlezi phansi. Uma ngazibona ziyi-3 kanje, ivoice iphansi. Zoyi-3 kanje.
Ngithini ngami?
Wena njaya mara. What can I say? Stuff one to
Yeah, I'm a producer, dog. Ungugule fede them. Maporeki.
Take the mic. Don't forget. Don't forget mic. Skis perfect. Yeah,
mina niyashare lapho ne. Impisoro wena ukhuluma wena.
Uphisera kakhulu. Ulezi ngayibamba ngiyayazi le mara mafuna uzoyenza uzokhuluma naye.
Ufuna ngibambele
itrain.
No, but man porekile ni Google fela yabo. Ni Google. I'm on Google dog. Yeah.
Thina besiporekile.
Wena Junior Classic yatholakala kuntu ku Google.
Ngiyatholakala bonga.
Hayi Instagram.
Chillers Punch enzeni that song. Yeah. Oh, kushaye Chillers Punch enzeni.
Aw. Le ngoma le ya. Oh.
That's what
big indoda.
Oh no.
Lento mic ngathi my problem.
Dog. Actually, dog, tell us, how did it come about to wena ntwana like wenzele yangoma leya like hlangane nobani kanjani like what happened? Mike ne so nimakhuluma Mike beduze.
So Italy when there was this guy worked with who CJ Lut.
Oh, CJ Lut, yeah. I think I've heard him here.
Yeah,
so this mic boy.
The name. When I like there's 20 of us.
Okay.
Like talented artists, producers.
In one house.
In one house.
Okay.
And they like he shake. Some queen.
Okay.
Marisa le camera.
Sound wow.
So CJ Lut vele angitshela mele shaya ingoma eChillers Punch.
Okay.
Sibona ukuthi meji uzothini. I was like, oh, okay.
Wait, top of his mind. Uvele wathi yazini. Ashayele
ingoma nje.
Oh,
eChillers Punch.
I
was like, hey, that's a great idea. Asiza. Sashaya nengwazi artist igama la Kutumi.
Okay.
Shout out to igama lakhe. So yeah, sasebenza vele. Isasebenza. Yaphuma ithi sajiva vele julu.
Aziyakhala ngoba. That lapho nitweni.
Mara that time sibe3 vele.
Okay. So eyakho CJ
Lut, Utumi, Michi.
Put my name on it.
Put my name on it. Ayashesha Leah. Leah.
Yeah. Shout out.
So manje ya.
So ko hlangana no Mac.
Michi.
Yeah.
To be honest, yona iyangicava kaze ngahlangana na mara yona iyangicava. Who's JR Classic?
Okay.
Wait, it's JR Junior.
JR.
Oh, mina bengithi Junior Classic.
Let me get you Junior dog like I've been saying Junior. Yeah, JR,
Junior igama la.
Hayiwona. Okay, what does the JR stand for?
Kahle
Jurassic.
Angikire iqale ukushayisa manje sothini manje. Sothini.
Jurassic Rider. Adlala we brother.
So kahle angishicela ngishaya hip hop. Just
Now Will is ngoba ifile wawajumpa.
Angifanga.
Hayi ngithi ngoba hip hop ifile.
Hayi ukuthi ifile.
Hip hop.
Hayi hip hop ihambe no AKA nenzani.
Sesekhona. Kamele ngayo.
Sesekhona. Sesenobani.
No, isasekhona hip hop ne. Mara ifile.
Ngitshele ingoma enza ama waves manje
hip hop yeah. Ekuma charts right now.
Just one.
Ningathi McLaren ne ngoba la ka charts.
Yeah.
Doesn't count.
Iphume nini futhi idlala ngo?
Yeah.
I think last year.
Ngithe
manje.
So
Manje. Ingoma recent hip hop echartayo.
Tshela mangane bafethu.
Yeah.
Hip hop ne
ihambe no AKA.
Yona
Kamele ngayo
but
coffee.
abantu eSouth Africa sikutshela iqiniso bafethu ne. Yang
Imike ngisero.
Sengitsheleni ivari ne. Yabona lana ke.
Le ifuna ukuziblomela la.
SA.
Okay, sure my brother.
SA. Angeke wa support the music.
Yeah.
Buka no abo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Ale ngcono chachichichi vum. Khona kanje.
Iyafana yonke lena.
Hey dude.
Yabona ungathatha leyo ngoma ufake ku TikTok. Bozijayivela. Mara ungathathi rap. Abo bamba isi cups of my ithini. Cups of my.
Awuyazi nokuyazi.
Angiyazi.
Okay, mfethu.
I feel like ne uthi abona uScott Maphumulo mayenza lengoma le noPenzo. Bayazi into abayenza.
Yeah, they knew what they were doing. Yeah, everyone is saying that. Yeah.
Everyone is saying that, but please elaborate. What do you mean?
Ilale conspiracy theory nyana nje manje.
Obvious bayazi na ukuthi into abayishilo lapha iDom. Tom Mkhulu.
Umbonyile makajayivela.
Amen. They post yabo. Babe post abantu ba react bad.
Yeah.
Putting on negative thoughts.
But the numbers are going up.
Mara, it's bayidlala ekikini. Zoza sing along.
Vum konkanjani.
Ngihle ngabona iflang tulanga ama flower.
Yabo.
Okay.
Ihlende. Mara uthola ama negative comments.
Yeah.
Mara uzo mayidlala ekikini.
Yeah.
Ziyawo.
Ntanga ngicela ukayile imali.
Yeah,
Coming to PC Rachel wena phi wena. Dog, why unga release music?
Yeah.
Fast. On plus.
Tsaviala.
Baba, yakaba nomchita lo mfethu ne to tell you story saka PC ngisazi esincane. Yamcava Fuego. I Chevrolet le stance.
Oh,
Shakes.
Yeah. Fuego man. Angilazi legama.
So obvious angithi vele siyacabana sonke. So uShakes bela ne room vele back room.
Yeah.
Lezi ntanga bezingena la ne back room ka Shakes. Shakes up like a PS4.
Where are we going with this?
PS4.
Oh. How we must what bangena da ntwana.
Like amachita bewayaza lapha Shakes bayoba ne chill session.
Oh.
And then this guy would produce right then.
Yeah, that's the whole point of meeting.
Wasifundisa zonke.
You wofundisa amachitu ku China.
Never released one song.
And to reference ne abantu
Then
wow release.
Give me the context. Give me the
Wow
context.
release. Khona ngoma lebe sidlala ezipopa spinach lapha mixini iGroove Supply. I Soul Cafe.
Hayi ngoma za.
Soul Cafe yakantwana hayi release.
You saw
ama rights dog.
Yeah, iSoul Cafe yakhe.
Yibona manje.
Ukhulume ke ndo imic yakho.
Mic yakho. And akafuna ukukhuluma mpeka.
Ngiyabona.
Ndo thinking bengithulile sonke lesikhathi nani ngicala ngeChristian ehip ba.
Yeah.
Ufuna okay
Six. How are you dog? You good? You good? Uvuke wadla ama cornflakes dog or umntwana.
I'm not
ufuna senze kanjalo.
I'm just internet yazini inkinga ne. As untwana like I work with untwana ne. So as I work no K9 like we are producer and then he gives me the songs. Yo, sorry. Yashuta. Decline. Untwana like bankai ngoma and then vele mangema kiki I play their songs. I always get a good reception ngoma zabo. But this guy is not releasing. At least this one is promising. Yeah.
Nah,
I want to understand. Make me understand, dog.
ne
Yeah, Mike. Yeah.
ya operate kanti.
Mara ufuna ukurelease.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just okay, feel it. Ish. Mainstream mfana mina ngibheka.
Ufuna ubana ground vele.
Vele namachita ne.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, Grand music is just a hobby and fun for you.
Mara, you can make money off the shit, dog. Why not?
Shani.
Hey, ufuna ukurelease.
No.
Ngicala ngeChristianity fika.
God, dog. This is a podcast. So, like, I'm not putting you on place, dog. Nah. Kanjani? Yazi untwana mina yaza into engicabanga ngiphine. I feel like untwana he knows ukuthi he produces good music.
Yeah.
But I think it's the fear of what's going to come with that.
Hayi man mina ngibe nefiye.
Kumele uthembe.
No, yena uyacaba music because siyawudlala anyway.
Nale ngiyayitshela.
Yeah.
Naye binjalo.
Kunefiye?
Beyinefiye.
Oh, my brother.
Ngithi boy.
How? Nina kanti inkinga zenu?
No, like
Man, so you have a computer eshaya music obhaya. Uhleli ama archives kahle.
Ish.
Dog, come on, you can't. Mina kuze ukuthi release mina. My first release was because of that. I had like 100 projects on my computer, dog. It was before on laptop.
Nigga, how did you start producing it?
Mina.
Yeah.
As Mike Ayewo. Yeah.
Icala kanjani producer ka?
As Rikas. Ekas kumnandi.
You question boyfuna le.
Yeah.
Oh, ubona bakwashina njalo.
Podcast boy, I'm alive.
Icava ndoda. Cha.
Let's talk about this. Let's talk about
now the name has the face now.
Now I understand. Who are talented, Mara? Mara, who's question?
Yeah, no, I mean, produce a cast, man. And like, you know, to the computer. Ton of music. I was already teaching. So I was like, I was in for sec, na FL Studio. Mara for like 6 years since ngihlala channel rec kuphela. I didn't know how to playlist. Bakwazi split nje. Ama projects job babaninga so because bengishaya deep house ngalezo nkathi lezo that's there channel rec wonke. And ngithe mang understand ukuthi ingoma mawuyenza you have to playlist. Yeah.
Okay, Joe uthe ukhwaspa na. Beniyenza like what type of music you produce?
No, me DJ feeling.
Oh, like so bakayenza number. Yeah, send it.
But nami I have like an FM music ngiyakhona ukumtshela ukuthi ntwana like ngifuna i-vibe kanje ngifuna i-vibe kanje or mangisendela ngitshela ukuthi ntwana okay why after like i-break unga like shy maybe like 4 bars and you understand.
So manje we producer what type of like production do you do like
deep house ne piano.
Deep house ne piano.
What type of piano?
Private school boy. Yeah, man, let's get on your score and no fail.
Nenzani? Okay, yeah. Context.
Mina ngenza kwasa hip hop, R&B, piano.
What's your go-to genre?
Okay, well, yeah, what's your go-to? Yeah.
Yeah, easily. Yeah.
Okay.
Because piano is definitely not your go-to.
Dog, he's been mentioning hip hop.
Definitely not your go-to.
My plan ne.
Okay, bega without lokho bona mohlangane laptop yakho or computer yakho. Mawuvule FL Studio into ekhalayo la kuqala.
Obvious. Ofethi piano yakhala.
Piano is the go-to.
Okay, let me when hip hop ngizeshaya. Sida bokune artist. Lapho ngiba ne idea uthi bongangena sona keda ngiyenze fast. And then after because anyeke ushaya hip hop while there's no artist. Manje at least the piano khona scoop. Hip hop akuna scoop. Anyeke umameli beat thing.
808 nyana.
Okay, uzomameli 881.
Like untwana bomilenzane ne. You were supposed to infuse hip hop ne piano. You could have been making waves right now.
Njengo Kelvin uyenzile futhi Kelvin there's this song yakhe Chincha i
One Kelvin man.
Kelvin Momo.
Oh.
There's lengoma yakhe Chincha i beat.
Interlude ngitle.
Intano ukringe mfana. Leya ndota.
Adumetsa mic. Yeah.
Leya he infuses a lot of sound.
Yeah.
My leya ndota. Pakichess manje. Out of the blue engomeni.
Ale create.
Mameli i-Chess Cruise. Is it Chess Cruise? Yeah, the album yakhe. Is it Chess Cruise or Ingome 1?
Ingome 1.
In the album le.
I think there's different songs Chess Cruise because
it's hard to.
It's hard.
Igama le album.
No, it's Chess series. Chess series album.
Oh, Chess series.
Chess series, Chess Cruise 5 or something.
But there's also a Chess Cruise go hard. Ecava man le album ka like icoin so.
Thatile limhlophe.
Le coin.
No, le red.
Ikurulana.
Yeah, kune Chess Cruise nada official Mickman kuyi.
I think it's the same Chess Cruise. I think it released maybe twice.
Oh.
Might happen.
Mickman ngada ukhona. Which is series.
I'm not sure, but ikhona Chess Cruise.
Nguzo voice store.
Chess Cruise.
Besides that, coming to my album, dog, you once told me something about the album lakho, but it had to do with you not completing something to meet the requirements of your record label. I was chilling, dog. What happened?
You are signed?
Yeah.
Usho boy ngale nto leyo. Ofuna ukuba independent artist.
Abig labantu laba.
Usaneva afil.
Abig labantu.
Ene?
Rapture.
Yabani?
Prince Kubeka.
Who's Prince Kubeka?
Expose yo.
Yeah, it is him.
Yeah, man, okay, yeah.
Like most artists, like Abowedi, Abomodeka,
Listen.
they use the same thing.
So you guys work now, Ugo was spanning up.
One.
Abowedi, Abomodekai, not yet.
Yeah, I'm still in the okay. Wait, I'm not feeling very level.
Yeah, we valley.
China abadi.
America vele.
Khohlangana nawo lamachita. Wait khohlangana naye.
Wait angazi.
Oh. Ina mengi nokubheka ama album cover wayo. Inokucoka lamazaza ngathi nedi nyana like.
Ubani wait. Awida akaboni to ucoka ama specs.
Oh akaboni.
Ucoka ama specs wena ntoga umi kancane. Hayi, mayenze. Mare I asked you a question though. What happened? Can you please tell us about that? Because you told me about ukuthi you were supposed to release the album ilelele Pushy Span. Was it Pushy Span or lele name? That song nginganya the other one.
Yep.
Like le album cover brown.
Yo.
album
Kanti ukhayela enye ingoma.
Yeah, when it's piano.
Yeah. You were supposed to release that, but you told me something good azange meet ama requirements we record label.
A record label or a distro?
Oh.
No, he knows.
So apparently ne ngeke vele ngasubmit. I was submitting.
Make your comment a bit close, dog.
But then I was delayed on my submission.
Okay.
Oh.
Because there are other songs. Obviously, the distributor I publish in
Which one do you
AI.
use? Which one are you guys using? DistroKid. Yep.
It's still Rapture. Rapture Music Group.
Yeah, but
Rapture
distributed.
But distributor ngani?
Rapture Music Group.
In a distribution company.
Rapture
Nini distribution company?
Rapture has.
Rapture has.
Rapture
Hey, who was selling pants? Igama le record label yakho yini?
Rapture Music.
And then Rapture in a distribution company yayo?
yes
Shit.
Oh,
Baspanile.
hey man AI la pay hey AI la pay
wait.
Like,
Oh, AI.
AI.
no it's not AI uyayazi lento yokuthi when you release
Yeah.
khona lento le AI ukuthi
You can master and
i-check
do what?
like master like i-check ingoma zakho ukuthi le is similar to
Oh.
Plagiarism.
like ithatha from ingoma zakho
Yeah.
for example, like, abona mawusebenzisa loop ya Kelvin Moore.
yeah
Angisho
Oh,
ngathi-
yeah.
like,
izokutshela ukuthi hayi
Ayike.
Yeah.
there's an issue anyeke ivele ku-Instagram ingoma yakho
Yini
Facebook
problem?
TikTok
Eh.
noma wenze art cover yakho ku-AI kumetha AI or ChatGPT izokutshela no.
With ayisebenzi le nto.
Yenza ku-AI.
Strict ifede. Shit.
So you can't like create
Can't sample,
an album cover nge-AI and then upload it.
You can't.
AI
And ukuzenzele.
Yo.
Damn.
zenzele
Who?
Ngimdistepile benga-explain.
Oh yeah, yaskisa.
Indaba le AI vele.
So you use the AI.
Yeah.
On
No,
the-
I use things.
it's yo
What happened?
Pretty boy G.
Ngoma lezi. Izwa.
AI
Yabona wena ngikhipha kangaka lo muntu mara.
AI
So inkinga ukuthi ngoma le bengizozini.
Kodwa qeda ukuyisho bebathi bayahleka bikuzwile Mike.
hayi noma ingavela ngingona
So konje bengizini.
AI.
Yeah, it's indaba ye-AI.
Commenting lapha bengizisubmithile. I used a lot of loops like Kelvin Moore.
Okay.
So manje
Ama-drum loop.
Yeah.
Oh, ama-drum loop mas it's not sampling leyo mas it's not like
Nah.
Kumele uzenzele wena. Kumele
take your
uzi-editele.
own
Ukuzi-editele.
yeah
Yenza ukuthi ingajumpisi ukuthi le.
Oh yeah, you have to edit it vele yeah.
Yes. So
That-
that's how you
Oh, you
say
didn't edit.
Yeah, I
Oh, uvela wayi Oh,
Yeah.
ngiyathola phela. He
So
doesn't
then-
edit guys mara phela asukufundisa soon boy.
I have an ear for music.
DJ.
I
So
have an
manje-
ear for music.
So
My
manje-
yeah.
defense yakho leyo.
just no echo
Jayvan Simnon. Oh no, bana.
So manje ne i-problem
No, tadlula. Lena bafetha. Askisi yazi.
Ngicela ucabanga amasimba yo, askisi yeah.
sharp. So manje mangisubmit ne obvious angitshela i-AI ukuthi ingoma like almost zonke zisana the same ezinye.
Oh yeah,
Shit.
because of
So
that.
manje
drum
I had
loop.
to take old songs that I did no JR.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Oh, okay.
Okay, lezi zalunga fela.
I-Life Chain urelease it. I-Life Chain there's an sintana le. Ushaya naye? Ushaya what? Life Chain.
Ngishayini
show you
Okay, wait. Asicaleni phansi le question engifuna ukuyibuza. Do you prefer producing alone or nabanye abantu?
Okay.
yeah that's a that question
I
yeah
think that
That's
comes with the
question.
reason ngicela mawuqoqa iphendule and then guy uphise
Yeah, no,
for my
okay,
feet.
Okay, mina ne I prefer ukuthi producer like kakhulu.
Oh
Yeah.
Not like other people.
Shy number.
Yeah, that's the question. Like, do you prefer working alone or with someone that you
Yeah.
I
always
prefer
work with?
working
Yeah.
with JR.
Okay.
Ngoba the reason behind that ukuthi
Mike.
like the reason behind that
Yeah.
ukuthi le yakubonisa indlela ukuthi la ukanje la
Oh
ukanje.
yeah.
Because now you wanna feel
Oh, so
like,
basically you're learning something from
Yeah.
them. Okay, sure. Yeah.
Fundisana in a way.
yabo,
Yeah.
fair.
Is it the same with you?
So
What's in my side?
Riding.
My brother.
Oh, she said.
I want my hip hop fan now. Mansula Bulele AKA. Don't blame us. Joe.
Yeah, is it the same with you, dog?
Do you prefer working alone or?
me, like I enjoy level ukusebenza ngiyi-one. Like every time, because I learn something new every day.
All right.
Who you want?
Oh, this sound. But obvious, working with people, vele, it is important.
Yeah.
Because khona abanye bafuna ukufunda, khona abanye nawe ufuna ukufunda le ukuthi awuyazi le. Okay, khona umunye uzofunda ngawe. So that's why also it is important, yabo.
Okay.
So mina, to be honest, I prefer working alone because you learn something every day.
Uyakwazi ukuexperimenta basically.
Ukhona lento yokuthi le sound le bohamba kumunye umuntu angeke ayenze le sound efuna, but boyi-one
you can do what you want to do.
You know what, let me try. And then we master it until that's when working alone sometimes like it's not a thing, it's not a bad thing, eh?
I get you, ne? It's very important. Ngifuna uhlanganisa no-3 kanje. Njengoba ngihlangene kanje, ngifuna unibona esitundweni kanje. Hey, ngiyuza amandla wami podcast.
Yeah. That's the whole benefit of the podcast. You don't, people don't get it, Joe.
Mara, Joe, like you, like okay.
Answer the question. Do you prefer working alone or?
P dog. Too
Like
much
he said,
talent.
Yeah.
There's a lot of different things you can try and
Fair.
Okay.
It does make sense, yeah.
yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Honestly, like njengoba ugiftasha ntana, ne?
To miss a mic.
For sure, much
Nice,
doesn't
fine,
understand.
yeah,
If you don't do one genre, bro, boy, like, ish, dog. I explain it, dog.
Okay.
As long as you're doing that thing alone, and then you hear with us, yeah, try another genre.
Yeah.
You incorporate and that.
Which
nice thing about it.
Which
You can
genre
do it.
ongangitshela ukuthi wazama ukuyiproduce engangiwawa right now like
I've never expected that. Yeah.
engangiwawa
Engangiwawa. Ngathi igama lomuntu wawa. Engangiwawa.
yeah
Ish. I feel the thing I hectic. Let's say Latin jazz and so.
Latin jazz.
Yeah.
Ayingiwawile yo. I'm wowed.
What is Latin jazz?
You jazz.
I don't know it like
jazz.
Isilunyana kanje.
Jazz engana saxophone. Angithi that's why ngithi jazz engana saxophone.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
You get me. Okay, I get you.
Wawacabanga ukuyifuse nepiano. Like khona ezinye izinto. Faka shy lady.
OOP. Akusi Latin jazz.
Ini?
Okay.
Ingoma uyibiza kanje. Angithi niyazi ukuthi ngiseva kanjani ingoma. Vele nifake nje.
Yeah, ngithi uyenzela ukuthi udlulise vele.
Ingoma yakho ibiza OOP. Ngathula press nje.
Kumile studio ndotubhekile ngibizele.
Yes, so kumele mawucabanga igama same time zobheka lena. Unokubeka something.
Unobona usekamereni.
Yeah, camera. Bedroom mix one.
Ubheka isikhathi.
Mara mina right now. Yeah, so lokubheka lesikhathi.
Mina ngiyawazi ukuthi ubona mix wami wonke anekama. Hayi bize mina nje.
Mina ubheke ukuthi bengilisi ngakhona we only have 2 mixes. Piano daily chila lami sessions. Only 1 2 3 4 5 6.
I have time for days.
Yeah, I was okay.
Mara Latin jazz, you're still saying about Latin jazz.
Yeah, nah.
No,
I'm just saying.
So ongitshela wait.
Obvious must pana uyiwani.
Unokuyizama vele.
Opportunities ukuthi ungene. But then mawuzospana nabantu vele.
You can explore.
Nah, you can definitely.
You can.
Abantu aba right. That's what I'm trying to say.
Mara khona abanye abantu
abanokujudge.
Okay.
Shy number ndoda. Yacaba nawe akusuka keys.
Keys dog. Wala nabali ushayo soul keys leyo ngisendele lona.
Okay.
Wait, episode. Uyakwazi ukushaya piano.
Skia.
Wait.
Where's the keys?
Wait, guys. Uyakwazi ukushaya piano.
The soul keys.
Soul keys oshayile. Oh, benga I wasn't supposed to mention
Noma
that.
ufuna uphendula question. Episode. Ukwazi ukushaya piano?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Afethu ngifundisa ukushaya piano mfethu. Sengifundile kancane ne emara hey.
Ngithengizoyuza amandla wami podcast. Yabona ni 4 ay no 4 kanje mara wena maybe ngakhohlwa. No mara no 3 kanje.
Mntwana nginama video wakhe IG. Yeah, that's the thing.
Ukwazi ukushaya piano nawe?
Ngibonile uDafi.
Ubeka ama lives ukuyabheka le.
Emergency ngikwazi ukushaya piano.
Sonke kanje.
Mina ntanga
Reproduce.
ngifunde vami ipiano. Ngifunde ku first studio.
Hlaze.
Oh, mara you should listen to my chords. Motho lesikhathi wait. Motho lesikhathi ufune iphilami when we go deep. When I go deep, yeah. Uyifune lapha.
Mongalazi wena negama thina sizoyazi.
Ngilisenini lo iphile. Yo, mamela ama chords lapha. I know how to chord like pro.
Ngicela nadlala esontweni kuqala before.
No mina hayi.
Where did you learn to play the piano? I wanted to ask that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mina yazi ngifunde kanjani?
Yeah.
Usicambela manga, ngabona lo uyabringa ngakho.
Angicamba manga.
Okay.
Mina angicamba manga. Ukuthi angizange ngidlale esontweni nsa. Ukuthi ukuyabona bodlala ngemouse.
Okay.
Ane. Ubona lento le ukuthi yabo keys. And then after
Yazi ngayenzani?
Fungri.
Swap because I think the conversations izona la ukuthi nikhulume nethu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh fungri.
No qhubeka uzoringa uzoyisho le point yakhe.
So
Bekafuna ukuthini Pisero?
Kahle Christy.
Simdehenga ke say
Say it, yeah.
Okay.
Umile umbuzo.
Sondezi mic.
So you were introduced to FL Studio before
Knowing how to play the piano.
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah, continue.
Also,
So
you learned how to play the piano while you were learning how to produce, basically.
Yes.
Oh,
vele ngiqale ngemouse yabo.
Oh, yeah.
How to play the chords,
Yeah.
mouse. Ngoba nalento le. Ngoba nalento ukuthi ngibona ipiano. Khona bohamba vele endaweni vele.
piano roll.
No, not piano roll.
Oh,
Like
the piano, actual piano.
Ngoba nalento ukuthi ngiyabona man khona le keyboard nalento ma keyboard.
kanjani?
Anzani. Vele okay ngitshela babami vele ngiyamtshela ngifuna lyrics. Angihambise yabo. So ngihambe kuma lesson vele.
Hey John, never supporting dad.
Hey, Ndot, I was about to say the very same thing.
Hey, you guys are living in a nice generation.
Dance music vele la.
Oh, okay.
Ubani
Babakho?
Selection deep.
Ubani? SNB.
SNP.
What kind of music?
SNP.
What kind of music?
Vakashabo play coffee vibe.
Oh,
SNP.
Rakashai pakataka dog.
Ay vakashabo play coffee vibe.
Pakataka.
I feeling
Afro house.
Yeah.
ngoba ngizovele describe bese kathi wrong.
Hayi wena. Describe ubaba.
So manje
Hey.
yeah wangihambisa kuma lessons nyana. Okay ngiyabona. Inzima engiyakutshela manje inzima lento leya.
Piano roll.
Hayi piano.
Piano roll yani.
Yeah.
Lento piano roll. Inzima lento leya
It's
ne.
very hard, dog. I've been trying.
But mina
also have a
ngicela
piano.
ukuthi yazi ngisingizifundise. Ukubona uzifundise uba nalento tin uqala kanti
kancane.
but mina ngifuna like mangafuna ukushaya ama keys ngifuna ama chords because I love chords
very important.
yabo
Those
ama
ones,
chords
Used to this thing. Ngiyambona
Ubona
nodlala isizandla lo. Siyahamba ndokubuza isikhida.
yeah I'm
Yeah.
not ama chords
Mina, you know what's the problem mina ngepiano?
Yeah.
I don't know how to place my hands. Into engishaya right now.
no
Awuna talent.
yabona
Ama keys.
Take a break. Take a 5 minutes break. Think about it.
Oh, smart. What are you trying to say, dog? Yo.
Shai podcast. Una talent.
very easy that's if ufuna ukufunda ne qala like thathi chord noma ungayithatha obviously kuna ama packs and ama midi
Yeah.
pack that is needed
Yeah.
uyayithatha uyayifaka dane and then
No,
uyafaka.
I'm not talking about FL Studio, ne? I'm talking about the actual
Actually,
ukuthi
yeah.
ufunda ipiano
Yeah, the piano.
The
Okay.
physical piano.
Sure.
Yeah.
noma imidi ale ifunde kanjalo okunama yeah
Also kahle the student.
student
Mr. Miyagi we.
student
Eh?
So-
student
Yini why?
Wash, yini, wax on, wax off.
phela le vocalist bengaphuthu
Why vocalist? Okay, hey dog, any time.
Yeah.
Talk about it.
Why did you have
But
to
it's
do
an
that?
interesting, it's an interesting prospect, ne? Yabona ku FIFA ntwana, I could say, ukuthi mangathi umntwana like bamniki i title, interesting prospect.
K9
K9, yeah. Interesting
Gama
prospect. is coming.
Okay.
Okay.
Ninja.
Okay. Ngibona profile picture yakhe lapha ku yini lento le ku Instagram. Ngiyamtheka lapha ngide man. Lenja le manje. Uye ori. Isha khona shayini ngithi lenja le yakuthusa le.
Yeah. Yabona ufuna ukufunda ne. Uthatha imidi. Uyayiplace la. Angithi isebenzisa uhambe uyo release. Uyayithatha uyayiplace ku launch list. Khona lento launch list ne.
Launch list.
You place it there. And then uzoba ne-ID ukuthi okay le code job clean uzoba ne-ID ukuthi can I sing edit nyana then uqeda ukeditor uthatha ipiano ane
try to play
yabona i-code job ishaya nawe ube le key ikhala la ikhala la ufundisa le nto kuba flexible.
I'm trying to into ngishota ngayo right now because I'm a kid
nabafana bami ngara serious
you have to be flexible on the piano.
Piano is
no get DJ wala ngaphandle wena man.
Chiki.
Actually level look DJ yabona phela ngisho lento le usifundisa vele
yeah
ukuthi okay ngifuna ukudlala so uyayifunda like izandla ukuthi zibe flexible yabo and then after long bongenza everyday like yafunda everyday uzozama nokuthi
izandla sesifundishinga
mina inkinga ukuthi anginazo isikhathi sa everyday yabo
izwa
ubuvila lokho
into ngiphizi mfethu.
Pisero actually has an interesting one because Pisero you play esontweni.
Oh,
he has an interesting one.
Lapho esontweni yibo abokabza.
That's why intana
abokabza.
Ikhala, khiza khala. Wazi ukuthi unto.
Usha yini esontweni again? Ntingi.
Ngakhohle.
Tuntuntu.
Hayi ngitshela.
Uzo sonke nizokubona.
Hayi bo.
Sebala le.
Utelo wami ufuna ungise esontweni ngiyamtshela ukuthi no ways mara le yangitshela ukuthi esontweni ngisintana ngizokumela ukelo wami believe ukuthi le ngangise esontweni before yena.
Okay wait sicale phansi awufunge esontweni
yenzani lapha
yini ayu
ngazibani lapha
you are so lame
awungilimi ngokuthi
thathi mic umtshele futhi
bathi
you are so lame.
Tloketi. Okay, what's the defense right now?
Yeah, esontweni
Mara. To be honest,
this is not about me.
understand
Mara, I'm not gonna answer like you.
I
don't go to church because our masonto lawa manje for me now. Our circle.
exactly.
Oh,
that's why.
No. I take with some masonto money and it's more of business than teaching the way.
Mike, my masonto Mike.
Ufuna ukuthi voice yami be high. I'm supposed to be high. Understand? Yeah, I must talk on to the mic. I understand.
Clap your hands.
I do know like
wait. Sorry guys, ne. Ngicela past set digress kancane.
Digress.
Le ndaba le vele ukuthi 619 vele akabam invite party
Oh shit, yeah, but me invite her feel.
Eish. Comment le ndaba.
So is it really about the song or because
I talk like uzo waphethe marinking ukuthi we don't know ukuthi bebalwane. What if they were fighting behind the curtains? Like there's something
who would win between who would win between play cover was full mayonnaise
Ivan we know
yadala ngithatha serious
a black person that is racist to another black person
yadala but then who would win that fight Ntwana
allegedly
fuck my news.
that's why the Chiraki that's why play coffee will never be singing.
Continue. Play coffee lo una imali ukusuwa dog.
Mama usuwa in. Somnika mama mic. Asina man.
Baba uzomnika mic.
Yeah, not the first.
Uzomnika mic.
We won.
So wait. into engisho mina ukuthi that's why angakhona ukuba singena
no ntwana mina like
Mayonnaise.
mina ngithi what if me
uvumela abantu basilapha
asibenda tangalenta
lo story
ngisakhuluma ngesonto
yeke
ngisakhuluma ngesonto like
isonto.
isonto akuyi background yesonto ne
uNkulunkulu yeah
leka mina
lo ayinenkinga
Sicimile manje.
Yekela amacici wona manje devilized dog.
but then like I do have a church background I think so, like Joe I even have mamela let me learn I even have a background in choir dog I've been in a choir
Wasicula
mina
okay boku soprano alto
mina
bass ukubhiza awunibhiza etsangayibhala
mina dog like mangangithatha unginike mic ne uthi ufuna ngifake vocal ngayifaka
so manje awushayi bass
awucule ke sisi
Ungenzile ibest lapho.
lo mina no K9 angabhizi phela into
it's also a beat why 120 120 le BPM le
create legacy ezinja zami hayi like mina ngisho ne mangathola le formula vum
ay Kanti kwenza lento leyo.
Ngiyabonakala ukuthi akusinkulu kuba ne-motivation yokucula ne. Mara into engisho ukuthi I do have i-background yethu. Obviously khona ndoda basifundisa ukuthi okay ingoma ihamba nani. Lesigwitsho ngiyakhona usicula. So like I do have
obviously leyo into leyo.
Yeah.
Ulidayo kahle kahle kugisho
yeah kulida yena
ivoice yami
akanayo ivoice yokungalidi uzenzani uzongena kubhizi
wena ngizobamba
ufuna yenzeni ufuna kancane akakwazi
kancane ngoba besisimane
kancane
bamangele ukuthi lempuka yelo ikhuluma ikuphi
manje
position ezuno
sengami manje Afere, angizobamba.
Bamangele ukuthi ikuphi lempukane. Iphi lempukane kanti kanti hayi ugift yacula.
Mara
can't be a backup, Afere.
Actually I wanted to ask Untwana, please give me Joe like lento vele ye keyboard. It originates vele from a church vele.
Or we funded before church.
Let him land. Yeah.
How?
Please ne.
I was supporting your question.
Ngiyakwazi wena ukuthi unjani on plus.
You.
Uyamdisturb manje ngicela ukukhuza.
No, you mahlathi mara ntwana was supporting the question. You. I failed.
Our moment.
I failed.
Nah, feeling it at the church.
Ndasicela usondeze mic.
Ngicela ukukhuluma le.
Ndoda.
Unuki.
Abantu bazosho ukuthi lesipostile le ukuthi ize la podcast ndoda.
Ethi ngapha ngicela shesh. Wanjika kanje ngoba nizwe ivoice yentombazane lapha enjika khona. Sonke lesikhathi amachito. Bayakhiya. Bakhiya kanjani? By the way, sise Germiston poolside. This is the episode you've been waiting for.
Angeke.
Ngeke bakhiye phezulu.
It's fine, dog. It's fine. Deal about it. Let's go beyond. What's the question?
Mara lama voice amnandi yo.
Dog, Vele, you don't wanna tell us more about like how you started, like producing and stuff like that.
Nah, boy, I'm saying, yes, I did.
So this mic ntwana tu.
Dog, umbreak momentum ngeke dog uzoyizwa yena. Izozwakala uzoyizwa yena makakhuluma. Makayizwa ku podcast ukuthi bangazwakala voice yakhe. Asiya dog.
Mfana.
Aha. What is that? How did you agree to this, man? After 10 pounds, how did you agree to this, man?
This is not I tricked him, dog.
How did you agree? Because I was not. When I'm out, Pisero is gonna be on the chat. I'm like, yeah, Pisero. When I was saying for a post, I'm like, hi, man, Pisero, Uzobara. Hey, I'm a fair, yeah.
The time is all yours, my brother.
University.
Dog, keys, keyboard, chords, church.
Yeah.
That's what we are talking about, dog. You get me now. That's it. Yeah, key dog.
You tricked to Pizarro interviewing on the podcast, man. Pizarro doesn't want to be here.
Something's like giving you startup.
And then, man, he also said the photo.
You said the beat, dog.
Maniga, niyenza ukuthi sound bad mfethu.
We're making it sound bad, dog.
No, so basically, the question the question gift is on the notion of
Because
has been serious.
I feel like
yeah.
into ukuthi vele ngicala church okay. As in producer ndoda, at like angazi ukuthi ngizochaza kanjani.
When did you start producing? Yeah.
I-producer kwami ne. Started ngokuthi amajita ba producer ngithola. Making music. Let's say I was since
behind the
church,
scenes. Oh, okay.
Since in church.
Yeah.
So learning from that, uvele kwa major.
So what came first? Church and production? Or church came first?
Yeah.
So volunteer ukuthi kuze ukuthi uyifundele piano uyifunde phi? A church or ufundisa ubani? That's what I want to ask.
It's ukubona la binginama keyboard endlini.
Oh, now we listen entitled. Hey. Gadala. Oh yeah.
Ngicela namakhulu ngakhohle ngicela ngayikhohlwa phela. Yeah.
Awungawari uzozizwa lapha yana makazibhekelele nayo ukuthi okay.
Shaying style sam?
Yeah. Angithi ngishaya.
Siyalo manje. Are you ready?
Hi, you know what's going on, guys? Oh, guys, ngicela ukuthi nibe mamelana. Ngicela siceleni phansi ne. Ngicela nisikadeni ubopha ispinach nawo bazongena ku production soon yabo. Yeah, mina ngiyifundisa ama something.
Take 5 years.
I don't take 5 years njalo. I'm a very good teacher.
Yazi mntana. It's not about not good in mamela ne. It's not good in
the interaction le yalagisa. What the fuck is the toilet? Le yampegu. Uzumuntu wrong. Talk marahamba ngara.
But anyway, talk like music sound meaning it's not about good manje. So you
sometimes I think no good press.
I understand. I can just say K9 dlala boo. Uyabona nama ngicela against Metronome. Yes, I understand.
Metronome. It's not mom.
Metronome.
Yes.
Not gnome.
Maraye.
I understand. As long as it's the understanding that matters. But yeah, like as long as I'm in a room full of people that understand music, you understand. Because ngakhohle uthi DJ dog it's also music mfethu. Ngiyakhona a different song.
Ngengoma ezithu or ezifo
thathi vocal yale ngifake la beat yale or ngicima beat yale like bass yale iyashaya ingoma different, I understand. So I do understand the music and untwana knows how to press a computer, so us maybe Popeye and Spinach digressing or diverting to
we're not diverting, we are just doing what we have to do because we are music like
falling into piano, you understand. Untwana already has a background, I also have a background. Plus piece or so can always use him as a reference. So yeah.
Question. Njengoba uyenza kanjalo ne. Ngiyabuza from a perspective yokuthi there's so many other genres out there. Ne. Ukuyenza lento le do you incorporate kuyonke into ozofuna ukuyishaya. Ozofuna DJ stuff like that.
Can you please repeat your question?
Aziyahlehliza mthini angire wena uthi wenza like every like for example uthe ku K9 ngifuna uthi boom and then wathi whoa
how is it shy question here
nami ngihayile engekho
Yeah, my man. Okay. As a DJ, there's so many other things you can listen to, dog.
Yeah.
And so on.
Okay.
So from all the things you listen to and you just shy lazy uzwangazo via piano or do you incorporate other stuff, dog?
Oh, so basically, wait, are you talking about production?
Asking from production side.
Oh no, production side, my
Then
brother.
also, as Ntwana DJ, does he listen to? Oh, I do.
Oh, like a different type of genre besides what he plays. Oh, the question is.
No, I understand.
Yes,
Like,
yes.
the weirdest song enginayo kwi catalog yami engathi ngiyayilalela uMasiyeko dog
Buddy?
Masiyeko bathi Masiyeko asuMasiyeko angithi wase America
Masego, dog.
Masiyeko
Masego. Masego.
yes let's get a picture
That sounds like a car, dog. Yeah, like Lamborghini Masego. Ah, Masego.
Masiyeko ke Masiyeko ke
Ke Masego.
I got a picture
Mamela Masego, boy.
I understand.
Fun now,
I
with
do
you.
understand. Like I do listen to other genres. Like chance.
R&B?
Music. Yeah, R&B dog. Yes. I'm all for you now. Oh, can't you see?
Sleep in the grass.
But
To be honest,
how much
But
time
I mean, the music was sex, lo, yeah, yo.
Oh, Mara. Let me learn.
R&B. The music is sex. Udra mvulia neta. Wait, listen. Think big the scenario point. It's a mini boy. Steamy as fuck. Kali can you be lovers background in? Okay. Mama mvulia neta ngaphandle boy.
Be lovers.
Uyenza lapho.
Inside.
R&B music is sex.
Sendo tangi.
Anye traumatized. Sorry.
Ukuthi
Age group, yeah.
Yeah, when.
Remind.
That's why some cardi cup. Oh, before this scrutinize what the fuck. Oh, guys,
Nobody's too.
Abana ma ID.
I'm a mind.
Abana ma ID.
Banana ID.
Una ID. Eh?
8 years na 16.
Kengish.
Oh, mina ngayenza ngina 18.
La isa ya wena umdala phela. Mara moving on.
Ujitona ngakhi?
Mara kusala ngisingi 1k.
1K.
Akude mungekele 1k.
Wena 1K.
1k wena.
Mina.
Umdala la
Mina ngizokhipha license right now.
Okay, mina ngine question ne.
Sure.
Wena. Stop.
Sure.
Yabo. So mina bengifuna ukwazi ukuthi what gave you the mindset ukuthi no ngifuna uqala production.
Njengoba ngisho ntwana, I think I answered this question before mas. Earlier on the podcast. Like it was because in the computer I'm already a DJ because ngicala ukudj ngina 13.
Oh yeah.
Yetona. So time ngithengele computer kwaba ne barren ka USB ne FL Studio. FL Studio 12, uyayazi? Not 12. 10.
Ndala lo muntu bafethu amazi.
Cha FL Studio 10.
FS Studio 10.
Nami ngithi baba kuyi.
Athi le fana ne laptop yakamlimu.
Yeah, it was on Windows XP. FL Studio 10. Experience, boy. Experience, yeah.
Windows
So,
experience.
Yeah, so that was the thing. Ngivele ngangena lapha channel rack my brother. Like for like 6 years ndo channel rack kuphela. And I had to come back to those projects la bengashangana zenkade ziya split them. I told incorporate whatever I learned njalo njengoba sisicala ukushaya amapiano nani. I took khona ama projects ePlaying. Deep house ngawacova ngawathela into ipiano.
Okay.
And then I realized that piano is not for me. I'll be like deep house. I started releasing again.
Bulabona itsasi into yakho.
Piano in the trend. Njalo ugijimisa ama trend. No. Deep house is just,
Zomthini wena ngepiano. Okay mara okay.
As a producer, I can't be chasing ama trends, dog. I mean, for me, according
njengescoop. Yonke into milwe TikTok.
Njalo, that's the thing.
I think
with piano chaka ne, you listen to deep house. Deep house is always neutral.
it sounds like this. It sounds the same.
That's the thing. But then there's some elements. I want to deep house. Deep house is actually music for a producer. Because you start listening to ama elements akona la.
Yeah. Ngizwa mangithi ngine music
Yeah, that's the
nje
key.
for
Question enye.
is a studio tune. So shy chillers party.
Ufuna ukuba exact.
Chilla nami times 8.
Yeah, sicela ingoma yethu nathi chance.
Baba.
Noyithu nginikale wathi sicela ingoma yethu nathi.
Ngoma yini?
Yeah.
Wasicela ngathi manje.
Yeah, siyaqala.
How dogs.
Wathi ndo tisicele last week no so last year.
Oh no, I'm just asking.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
asking
okay,
for
okay.
it. Yeah.
Ngine question. Okay. So like from Brazil.
It's a ginger lesiyane.
Sinobu.
Khuluma sipasiphosa.
Pressure ne, no chia. Starting with pressure. So how do you prevent a beat block?
How What is
How do
a
you
beat
prevent
block?
A beat block is when
Beat
you
block
have
is when you don't have like
ideas, nothing.
Oh, ilento
Phelile.
engicabanga ukuthi yenzakala ku-squats mara
Iyenzakele
squats maphuma,
vele.
yeah.
Vroom, vroom.
okay yeah.
yazi ngiyami ngiqala kanjani
Let them learn.
How do you escape that, man?
Yeah.
mina ngiyakhuthazwa ingoma nje kwangomela ingoma nje ngezwa nje
Isonyana nje.
isonyana ayabuya idea
Also when you beat block yakho it takes like less than
2 seconds hami
Yo. Awukaze kubambe for 4 weeks.
kazi
Shit.
ungahamba ekhompyutheni yami
Maningi ama project.
hey
mfana imali mfana ukuthe
Uzaliya khaya.
And it's a shit.
imagine leyo project kuyimali
Whoa. Awuna wait. I think mhlambe yimi kuphela mina abashaya beat block azobona ngani.
project ala
You know mo channel rec. Ufuna not even channel rec, mongena ku playlist. Unokuthola ama blocks ahleli ka so kuphela. Ay beat block leyo. Ngingafaka cidile ngithi mina ngiyiplace le ngoma. Mina ngiyiplace.
Wena futhi.
Phuma dama ngicela.
Marida we PC.
Yeah, PC,
That was an interesting question actually.
It's a very
There's too much to it, dog. There's too much to it. Yenze ukuthi fana okay. Let me say given ukuthi okay, I think you should straight. Yeah, ayashaya mfana block ivele ifike pha. That's all.
How do you escape it?
My beat blog igcina kuba into yokuthi I don't listen to this genre ngilalela. That's all.
Yeah.
Ngipe ka enjoy feel
Sure.
do my stuff kule. If beat block yafika shaya ngijanda.
Oh, okay. Oh,
I think
I get what he's saying. Yeah.
Can I digress a bit? Which artist do you like listen to that actually like inspires your production kakulu? Can say producer artist.
Producer.
Can be okay producer because you're producing.
Yeah.
Then yeah.
Yeah, but it's obvious. I'm an artist of
Averious, yeah. I don't think as a producer you can be. I mean, noma songa ngithi mina ngapha ngiyi1.
Oh, we want
Yeah.
okay.
As a producer, you can't have more than one. Man, just one. Uthe yini isho ngesilungu? Eish.
Genre. What?
Lo muntu obheka kuye man.
Someone you look up to.
Yeah.
Role model.
Silungu silahlekile.
Someone you get like inspiration
from.
or inspiration
So
from.
you can't
Yeah,
just
yeah,
be
yeah,
one
okay.
person, Joe.
Okay.
Yeah. Because mawuqala uvula ingoma kaMduna namhlanje.
Okay.
Khona lesando izwile lapho uthi
No,
bese
but
uyabuya umamela uKabza.
you know why ngimbuza ne? Because for me ne, I feel like his strong side is soulful for me because of the sound ngingayizwa. That's why ngimbuza ukuthi like kahle kahle yini lengaka like
Bofuna thi Kelvin Mom.
no, I don't think
Oh.
Kelvin dog.
Kelvin boy.
Ah, you are kwala
okay.
ntwana.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you were saying
Sifungiso enkasibali hawo.
Kelvin.
Kelvin mom mntwana. Kelvin uphethe.
Yeah?
Please do tell us how many minutes are we left with?
We are on 53 right now, ne?
We
I'm
on
right.
53.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sikhuluma kakhulu. Shwashwalaza. Hayi.
Sure. Hey
Shwashwalaza.
Yeah,
Shwishwibiza mfethu.
yeah, you were still saying dog skis.
Ani hari. Kelvin was
Hare guys uchi.
number one.
Lezi kwenzakala ngazi. Yini?
Leta yaphela ukuthi.
Wait, hard pisero ne. Yini ngani?
mawona
Ayaphela.
Prisero nta
Lezi zithu.
understand like Prisero ne mangathi wangambuza question makazama ukuyiphendula
Yeah.
okay nina niphuma off topic bese nabuya sekalahlekile akazi ukathini
Cha bathi challenge am this podcast ne that's the problem. Si random la. In the midst of whatever we're talking about sizophuma kuyo sizobuya later and mase sibuya sesikhohle kube sikhuluma ngani mara siyabuyela la.
Siyayazi in
Yeah.
context.
okay
But yeah,
If you don't remember you have to tell us ayintwana ngikhumbule sikhuluma ngani. Yeah. But yeah sesibuyile kuwe fele jam. Yabo? Exactly what I'm saying. Siyenza kanjalo njalo.
hey, like he dog. So you understand why I saw that thing.
I wanna breathe.
That in social anxiety.
Ungaveli.
Not really.
Yeah, we're closing it off, guys. We are gune party lana.
Yeah, kune party, like-
So we invaded the space basically.
I wish you could-
Amachita ngathi angashaya ngisibhekile. Hey, manje ngicela ukubuza khona question engifuna ukuyibuza ne. Manje niphuza flying fish vele sikazi.
Okay,
wo.
iyangikakisa
I was about to say the same shit.
bathi bathengele ke ngoba wena ngithi ubabuzile.
ubabuzile
Flying fish.
ubabuzile
Ikene ngithi bathengisa
Oh, nibuzeni again.
phapha wena.
Why nibuzile flying fish manje?
Dog, dog, waste, dog. Why are you attacking flying fish, dog?
Ay flying fish yakhutisana boy.
mina yazini I would like to say shout out to Chila Nami.
Yeah, shout out, Kina.
I think yeah, let's close this. Let's close the chat. Yeah? Yeah, dasifuna ukudla kwethu wena.
Sinamabalo okudla.
Silambile. Yeah. Bafethu yeah, kuzoba round no yabo so ngcono sivale.
Manje ngicela une-question yokugcina.
Yeah. Qalile. Eish. Fana vela si no prep no nothing. We were just asking questions the whole podcast.
Samajita khona.
Yeah. Ntanga
Mara
ngicela ukubuza question yamagcina nami yeah.
Wait, ne-question. Yebo ntana ngiyabona ukuthi like nihlahla nani yabo.
Oxygen.
I understand. Obvious mosquito kwakhona ne. Manje mosquito manga kuluma udakiwe uzotawa now.
Na man. Eish. So kamna.
Asipale.
Chela basiba wena. But anyway, this is Chila Nami podcast from me, Popeye, and my boys who spin hambile manje. K9 boy, Junior. Wena ngibiza ngoJunior JR Traffic. Lo Phisere lo Shy. Lo Hlathi TC.
Shout out to Chila Nami.
Yeah, I see.